Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into how to use RADA, the AI-enabled research and data assistant inside DealStats, where we'll talk about how we can leverage its connection to the various DealStats supporting documents. Let's assume we'd like to understand how we can go about converting a stock sale into an asset sale equivalent. After we ask the question, RADA will then reference the DealStats supporting documents to find the answer for us. You can also ask RADA about definitions for the fields within the database. This enables us to have quick access to DealStats key formulas, methodology, and framework. RADA turns hours of manual work into actionable insights within seconds. See you in the next one.